Good morning, class. We already learned about the various contamination sources. Does anyone remember them?
We have biological, chemical and physical contamination.
Yes, however the bacterial contamination has the most risk as many people can get sick at once if we do not take care of the food.
Yes, both of you are correct. So today let us look at the bacterial contamination and learn about what do these organisms need to grow. Microorganisms are not visible to the eyes, but they are everywhere and they grow when they get conditions that favor their growth. Just like us, these bacteria or viruses need food to grow, the temperature must be correct and they need time to multiply.
Yes, we already learned about the potentially hazardous food. Food rich in protein and carbohydrate like chicken, seafood, etc.
You're absolutely right, the bacteria depends on food that is rich in protein and carbohydrate. Also the temperature needs to be right. Most organisms will grow between 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This range between 5 degree and 60 degree is called the temperature danger zone. In most cases cooking food above 60 degree will kill the bacteria. But not in all cases. So we need to be really careful while cooking. Also cooling below 5 does not kill the bacteria. It just slows its growth. Another important factor is time. Bacteria can become double in 20 minutes. So remember, every 20 minutes the food remains in the temperature danger zone, the bacteria has doubled.
So if I do some basic calculation, within 4 hours there will be enough bacteria to make someone ill.
Well done, Jay. You're absolutely right. In 4 hours food can make someone ill. That is why we as chefs need to control time and temperature of the food. We will talk about time temperature reviews in the next class on food hygiene. I hope you're following along and learning about food safety. Do subscribe and come back to the channel to keep learning. Remember to click the bell icon so that you receive notification when we upload a new video. See you in the next video.